Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a 2013 VW Jetta TDI easy method. Start by warming the engine briefly, then shut it off and let it cool slightly before touching drain areas. Lay out a clean workspace and gather all parts: oil, filter, gasket, wrench, and pan. Wear gloves and eyewear, and ensure you have an oil filter gasket and the correct oil capacity for this diesel engine. In this video, I will show how to change oil in a 2013 VW Jetta TDI easy method. After positioning the drain pan, loosen the drain plug carefully and allow oil to flow until mostly clear. Clean the drain plug and install a new crush washer before rethreading to proper torque. Next, remove the oil filter cap, pull out the cartridge, and inspect the old filter for metal debris or signs of wear. In this video, I will show how to change oil in a 2013 VW Jetta TDI easy method. Coat the new filter gasket lightly with fresh oil and install the cartridge until it seats firmly. Add the recommended volume of 5 W40 diesel oil through the filler neck, replace the cap, and start the engine for a short run. Inspect for leaks, turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and recheck the oil level with the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.